Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to feel more energized, burn calories more efficiently, and start your day on the right foot, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore 7 simple but powerful morning habits that can help boost your metabolism naturally. Let's dive in. Get morning sunlight. After hours of sleep, your body wakes up dehydrated. Drinking a large glass of water in the morning helps jumpstart your metabolism by rehydrating your cells, flushing out toxins, and improving digestion. Cold water might even give a slight calorie-burning effect as your body works to warm it up. Add a squeeze of lemon for an extra detoxifying kick. Start your day with a glass of water. Exposure to natural sunlight early in the day helps regulate your circadian rhythm, which directly affects your metabolism and hormone levels. Just 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight can help improve your mood, energy, and even support fat burning through hormonal balance. Go for a short walk or just enjoy your tea by the window. Eat a protein-rich breakfast. Protein takes more energy to digest than carbs or fats, which creates a small but meaningful thermic effect of food, meaning you burn more calories processing it. It also helps you feel fuller longer, reducing cravings later in the day. Try eggs, Greek yogurt, chia pudding, or a protein smoothie with nut butter and seeds. Move your body. You don't need a full workout to activate your metabolism. Even light movement like stretching, yoga, a brisk walk, or 5 to 10 minutes of bodyweight exercises can wake up your muscles and boost circulation. Morning movement increases oxygen flow and preps your body to burn more energy throughout the day. Drink green tea or black coffee. Both green tea and black coffee contain natural stimulants, like caffeine and catechins, that can temporarily boost your metabolic rate. Coffee can increase energy and focus, while green tea also offers antioxidants and a gentler lift. Just skip the sugar and cream for best results. Take a cold shower. Cold exposure activates brown fat, which burns energy to keep you warm. Taking a cold or contrast shower, hot to cold, may increase alertness and metabolism slightly. It's not for everyone, but if you're brave enough, it's a refreshing way to start your day. Practice deep breathing or meditation. Stress can slow down your metabolism through the release of cortisol, a hormone linked to fat storage. Taking a few minutes to meditate, breathe deeply, or journal in the morning can help regulate stress, stabilize hormones, and set a calm tone for the day. A peaceful mind supports a healthy body. Conclusion. Boosting your metabolism doesn't require extreme diets or supplements. Small, intentional morning habits like hydration, movement, and sunlight can make a big difference over time. Try adding 1 or 2 of these into your routine and notice how you feel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more content on health, nutrition, and wellness. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.